Okay, we're going to work on our animals. So, all right, let's see. Tell Mommy a pig. Tell Mommy a monkey. Goat. He hits his head. Why was he hitting his head? He did not want that other goat to eat, did he? No, he did not. Can you tell Mama goat, goat, goat? Okay, let's do elephant. Kitty cat. Rooster. Turkey. You're making me dizzy, buddy. Can you do a turkey? Gobble, gobble, gobble. What about a gay, gay? Gay, gay, gay. A horse? What about a lion? What about a dinosaur? What about a bear? Who does it? What about a sheep? That's right. What about bees? What about snakes? Okay, and the snakes. What are we going to do if we see a snake? What are we going to try to pet that snake?
No.
Are we going to stay back? Because what might the snake do? He might bite you, huh? We don't want that. Let's see. What other animal? I'm trying to do this really fast. A fish? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh. What other animal is there Mommy's not thinking of? Did we do a monkey?
No.
Monkey. Ducks? Quack, quack, quack. Cow. Cow won't bite you.
No.
No, but that's what a snake will do, huh? Alrighty, let's see. So we might be finished with our animals. We're going to say bye-bye, and we're going to come back and do some more words in just a minute, okay? Alrighty. We'll say bye-bye for the animals.